In this video, I'm going to show you how you can insert a full stop sign or a dot on your document using your computer or your laptop. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. So I have here this sentence. This is your day, then a comma, arise and shine. I'm supposed to put a full stop at the end of this sentence because that is the end of the sentence. To do so, it is quite simple. Just head over to the end of the sentence and then head to this less sign here. We have this sign that you can see. Just below it, we have the control button. So if you go ahead and tap on it, it will go ahead and insert the full stop at the place that I wanted it to be inserted. So that's how you can find and insert the dot sign or full stop sign in a document. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.